Want to replace your dishwasher's drain hose? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A flathead screwdriver and a new drain hose. Step 1. Detach the underside of the dishwasher. In most cases, the drainage hose runs into the appliance at the back via the underside. You can loosen the underside by pressing in the clips with a flathead screwdriver. Step 2. Detach the drain hose. The drain hose is fixed in the machine with a locking ring or in a tube. You can loosen the locking ring with pliers. In some cases, the drain hose is held in place by a hose holder or sealing ring. Step 3. Insert the new drain hose. Insert the new drain hose into the appliance as the old one was. First, push the hose through the small opening in the back wall. Reattach it by placing the hose in the right place. Step 4. Place the housing back into place. Reattach the bottom of the dishwasher. This can be done by clicking the underside into the retaining clips. You have replaced the drain hose and the dishwasher is ready to use again.